Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how to create a startup roadmap in Notion for 2025. First up, open Notion and click on the plus new page button. Give your page a name, something like 2025 Startup Roadmap. The reason we do this is to create a dedicated workspace for your roadmap, keeping all related materials in one place. Now that we've done that, let's create a board view by selecting Board from the templates. This helps us because it allows us to visualize our roadmap in a clear and organized manner, making it easier to track our progress. Next up, we're going to customize our board. Consider your startup's goals for 2025. Then create columns that represent each quarter of the year. To do so, click Add a Group and name each one Q1, Q2, Q3, and Q4. This step is important because it helps us to break down our goals into manageable timeframes and clearly see what needs to be accomplished each quarter. Now let's move on to tasks. Click plus Add a Task under each quarter and start defining your tasks. Be sure to add any relevant details like due dates, assignees, tags, and more. This helps us because it ensures that everyone on the team knows what needs to be done, by whom, and when. Don't forget to link relevant documents to each task. Just click on the task, select plus Add a Property, and then Files and Media. Upload any files or link any documents that are relevant to that task. Let me explain why this matters. By linking necessary documents directly to tasks, we ensure that all resources are readily available, which ultimately increases efficiency and productivity. All right, now you've got your roadmap set up. But here's what's happening behind the scenes. As you add tasks and complete them, you're creating a visual representation of your startup's progress. This not only keeps everyone on track, but also motivates the team as they see tasks moving from one quarter to another. So there you have it. You've just created a startup roadmap in Notion for 2025. It's a simple yet powerful tool to plan, execute, and track your startup's objectives. Remember, the key to a successful roadmap is to keep it updated and use it as a living document that guides your startup's journey. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, keep planning and keep growing.